YSL Beauty's Instagram sparked controversy because of their comments such as comparing Blackpink's Rose in the post with Sana Twice's photo. Because of this, netizens left comments saying, "Nothing is better than the original, nothing is better than this one," and tagged Rose's Instagram account. These comments suggest Rose is a better match for YSL Beauty than Sana. As a result, the YSL Beauty Instagram account responded to this comment by leaving a heart emoticon comment, which implicitly agreed with the person's point of view. The comments ultimately drew the ire of many Twice fans, who expressed their disapproval. Some fans even accused YSL Beauty of not respecting Sana and preferring Rose as their muse. Others called on the brand to apologize and issue a statement clarifying their position. This controversy has also revived discussions about the heated rivalry between Blackpink and Twice fans. Both groups are very popular, and their fans are known to be very passionate and protective of their idols. This competition often gives rise to heated debates and clashes on social media. For your information, in 2020, Rose was chosen as the inspiration for YSL Beauty. She then ended her activities with YSL Beauty and became a global ambassador for Sulwhasoo. Meanwhile, in late 2023, Sana was announced as the Japanese regional ambassador for YSL Beauty.